That's brand new oil. You guys just saw me pour that in. So it's been sitting since October. So what we're going to do today is we're going to do a couple of oil flushes. So I got a 3-pack of the Liqui Moly engine flush. I'm going to do that first with the current oil in it, inexpensive oil in it, and do another engine flush. Just let it idle for like 20-30 minutes and leave it out, get some stuff out. A little bit of condensation, but not that much. You're gonna drop the oil now. So this is a current filter in here. Not a lot of stuff. Looks pretty good. Moly flush, engine flush. This engine's gone almost 400,000 kilometers now, and curious to see if I can get it to like 500,000 or something. So we'll just continue like this and check the filter after the next flush. Give her a few revs to get some of that new oil and flush going through. Whew. It is hot on my hands. Wow, already a bit dark from just the flush. That's only been in there for like 30 minutes. This oil filter, it's already a bit dark, which is kind of crazy. I guess that's just a testament of how well the Liqui Moly engine flush works. Yeah, there's like not a whole lot of debris in there, but the oil is definitely dark. That's brand new oil. You guys just saw me pour that in. Wow. I'd say that's success. This engine seems pretty healthy. And just for comparison, we're putting the Moly filter back in. This one's made in Austria. A little bit higher quality, I think, with the plastic ends. Before we fill the engine oil back up, I'm gonna add the Liqui Moly MOS2 anti-friction engine treatment. I gotta say, guys, I'm really impressed with that engine flush. Can't believe how dark it is just from 30 minutes in the engine. Hit a bit of a milestone. Last year the channel tripled in size. I started with 1,000 subscribers, 1,200. Now I'm about to hit 4,000, probably at the end of the month, which is January 2026. I want to say a huge thanks to all my viewers and everyone that subscribed. All right, everyone, well, thanks for watching and cheers to all of you.